welcome back to the channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Akriti and I'm Shaurya, and meet the new member of our PLT family. He's actually Perline's replacement for me because he's currently traveling and going to London for I don't know how many days. So this is Perline's replacement. I'm gonna hug him and sleep. We should name him something. Russell. This is Russell Singh Gill. Russell Singh Gill.
What's up?
So Akriti, what are we doing today? So today we're going to talk about something which is very shh. So whenever we post some outfit on our social media which has a deep neck or is backless or something different, you girls always DM us and ask us what sort of lingerie should we wear inside them. So we wanted to make a video and tell you girls what sort of outfits go with what sort of lingerie and how to dress up right. So by dressing up right, we actually want to tell you how you could pair different lingerie with the different sort of outfits that you wear. And when you pair up the right kind of lingerie, the confidence oozes out from within. So with this we chose Marks and Spencer's again because you know how much we love Marks and Spencer's from our last video, and we chose their autumn collection which has a lot of lacy and girly designs. So let's go one by one. We're gonna pick out one outfit and then tell you what lingerie you could pair up with that. So today we have a lot of different sort of bras and a lot of body shapers too. And Marks and Spencer also provides you with fitting services. So before we go ahead, I would like to tell you guys that it's very important to know what shape you are. So you should go to their store and ask them to check your size, and they're going to measure it and tell you exactly what fits you right. And Akriti, once you know your size, they have something for every body shape. So let's just pick out our first outfit and tell you what we can pair with that. So the first thing which I have with me is this top, which is a halter neck top, and it has a deep neck. So Shaurya, what do you think we should wear with this one? So for this, I think we have the full cup t-shirt bra. This one is underwired as well, so it will give you a good support, and this has a very deep neck if you see, so it will be perfect for something when you're wearing a deep neck. And since it's halter neck, the back of this strap would also come really deep, so this one would be perfect for that kind of a dress or even a top. So next up we have something like this which has a deep neck, broad straps, but the problem is that the straps start from the edge, so it's very difficult to pick out the right bra for this. So what do we have for this one? So for that one, I have this really pretty piece right here with a lot of lace, and this is a balcony bra with a long line. So what this actually would do is give you very nice support, and this long line actually holds your body really nicely. So in this sort of outfit, can you just show it again? From here it fits really well, and then there's a peplum, but this part is usually very tight, so little bulges come out. So if your body is not very tight and you have a little bit of fat right here, then this is going to hold it really well, and then after that the peplum falls out, so it's going to give a beautiful fitting. Also, why did we pick this color instead of white? So we've seen a lot of girls making this mistake that when you pick out or wear white outfits, you usually end up wearing white lingerie. The problem is that with light, when light falls on your outfit, it clearly shows that you're wearing white. So the best thing to do is wear a skin colored lingerie because it will give a seamless effect and would not show. Oh, and yeah, the part about this top where the strap is towards the end at the edge, this bra also has the straps towards the edge, so you should always see that the sort of bra you're wearing, if it's gonna fit inside your top really well, where the strap falls, it should be completely aligned. So next up I have this bodycon dress, and you guys must have seen that this neck is in fashion and everybody's been wearing this tie-up low neckline. So Shaurya, what do you think we should wear with this one? So for this kind of dress and for a lot of other different options of dresses, I have this one. Now this is a savior for every dress type, even if it's an off shoulder, one shoulder, cross back, halter, anything, or even deep necks, this one would do the drill. So what, if you can see, this one has this transparent strap right here. So it's perfect for a very low neck kind of a dress or even a top. It also has a strap behind which is actually transparent. So if you have a low back line like in this one, it would fit and look perfect with that. Also, what you could do is these straps are detachable. So if you have one shoulder dress, so you can just take out one strap and make it a one strap bra. Or if you have a halter, then you can detach one entire strap and make it as a halter and use it like that. Or if you have a racer back or a muscle tee, then you can use it as a crossback bra, and this would work perfectly even in that. So this is like a versatile bra which you can use in anything possible. So for those days when you want a fuller look, I have a really cute bra for you. It's this push-up bra with very pretty lace around it, and I really like it. A, it's nude, so it goes on everything which you wear inside. B, it's a push-up, so it's gonna give a very nice full look to your outfits. Also, this has memory foam. What does that do? So memory foam basically molds to your body shape and eventually gives you a very comfortable fit. So there are t-shirts like these with very thin material, and whenever we wear these, what happens is the line is gonna show off your bra. Otherwise, if you're a little heavy, then the bulge is gonna come out. So what do you think we should wear with this? So for something like that or a material like that, I have this seamless bra. What this does is that the lines of these bra wouldn't show from the front or the sides, and it will give you a very seamless effect. Also, because of that material, because it's very thin, this a very broad side wing would give you a very nice support, and also, as Akriti mentioned, would hide the bulge if you're on a heavier side, and will give you a perfect fit and comfort. And that's precisely the reason why we picked up Marks and Spencer, because it has something for all age groups and also all body sizes. So there are t-shirts which are very tight, or even crop tops which are very tight, and the other thing is that they have a very thin material. So what usually happens is that when you wear a bra, the line of the bra from the front is visible. So what can we do for that? So trust me, when the line is visible, it just does not look nice. So you should pick up a bra which has something like this. So over the pad, this bra has this lace over it. It gives a very seamless finish. The pads of your bra do not stand out unevenly out of the blue, and it does not show at all. Also, the latest collection, the autumn collection of Marks and Spencer, had these really pretty bras with a lot of lace. This is what we were talking about. How cute is this one? And it also has a very deep neck line to it. So if your top is a V-neck or your crop top is a V-neck, then it'll be perfect for that as well. So Akriti loves wearing a lot of corsets like these, and I'm pretty sure she's got a lot of questions on what she wears inside. So answer it, Akriti. So for that, I have this really cool bra which is strapless, and it has super hold technology. So what happens is that whenever you wear something like this, you always get conscious that is it gonna fall off or something like that's gonna happen. And there are girls who have actually DM'd me and asked me, so you wear a lot of strapless stuff, how does it stay on your body? This is how it stays. This makes me feel very comfortable and confident. It has a very nice hold from the front as well as the back. Even the wings are a little thick, so it grabs your body really nicely and makes you feel very comfortable inside that corset. Also, normally corsets have a little deep neck, so it has a perfect shape for that too. So moving on to body shapers now, what usually happens with girls is that when you wear tight fitted dresses or bodycon dresses or even those pencil skirts, you tend to get a little conscious of a little bulge from your tummy or side areas. So body shapers are like a gift for them and for us as well because when we wear bodycon dresses, we get a little conscious as well. So we have different sort of body shapers that you could pair with different dresses. So let's start with the first one. So recently I went for a vacation and I wore this really pretty maxi, and the thing about this maxi is that it hugs your body really tightly, so you tend to get conscious around your tummy area. Also, it has a deep front and a deep back too. So what do you think we should wear with such an outfit which has so many problematic areas? So you could pair this kind of a body shaper with that maxi. This would give you a very smooth and seamless finish. It would tuck your problematic areas if any, and because it has a deep neck, even this one has a deep neck and a deep back. So either you could wear your own bra with this, or you could probably just wear silicone pads and get done. So let's move on to a very fitted bodycon dress, which everybody gets conscious in, and even I do. I really feel very uncomfortable around my tummy area when I wear such a tight dress. So for that we have this body shaper. So it has a bra attached with the body shaper, and it's got very thick wings and everything. So no matter what area you're conscious about, it's going to cover everything up. So even from the wing area, your bulges are not gonna show and your tummy is gonna get a perfect curve. So yes, you can wear this with this sort of dress. So the other problem that we usually face is with high-waisted skirt or pencil skirt like these. So what can we do for that? So for that we have these body shapers. Firstly, they're really pretty. Let's take a moment to just appreciate how pretty this one looks with all the lace and everything. So this is a high waist body shaper which is going to end right where your high waist skirt ends, and we tend to get very conscious with our tummy in these sort of skirts. So this is perfect and it's going to give you a lot of confidence once you wear it. So the next option that I have for you, for those of you who are a little heavier on the thigh area, you could wear something like this with long maxi skirts or skirts which are very tight fitted. This would A, give you a very seamless effect, and B, because this has a very thick material, would give you a very nice hold. So you wouldn't feel uncomfortable with your butt area or your side thigh area, and this would give you a perfect fit and support. So for those of you who are into workout, we all should be. We shouldn't just sit like us at home and then you guys ask us to do fitness regime video and we tend to get a little conscious because we eat a lot. Anyway, for those of you who are into fitness, I have a sports bra for you guys, and it's very important to get the right support while gymming and working out. And this one has a very interesting technology, which is the quick dry technology. So it keeps the sweat away from your body, dries it really quickly and keeps you very cool. So it's got a very nice geometric print in the latest collection, so you guys can check that out too. So we really hope that we solved a lot of your questions, problems to how to dress up right and what lingerie to pair up with the right kind of outfit. So we picked up something for every shape and size and for every sort of outfit, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to
Like, share and subscribe to
Pretty Little Things.